Wow, 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 wow. Aweh, Millionaire. It's me, and it's 3 minutes past 5, 22nd of Jan 2020, and that was like 10 seconds in and out the trade. Dollar CAD, long, high impact news. We're talking about the BOC rate statements and whatever. Well, let's quickly go to Forex Factory here and see exactly what news we are dealing with right here. So if you look at Forex Factory, as you can see, 5 p.m. while we had high impact news at 3:30, we had the CPI on CAD, but that wasn't the news that we were focusing on. It was the news at 5 o'clock, BOC rate statement, overnight rate, BOC monetary policy report, blah blah blah. Who cares what the hell that is? Who cares about the numbers? As a smart trader, we don't care about the numbers, we care about the smart money, okay? Because that's how we make money trading this game. And as you can see, dollar CAD killed this one in like 10 seconds. You can see there was an entry, there was a stop loss, TP hit in a couple of seconds, and dollar CAD still going up strong. It's the smart trader. It's another smart trader analysis, another smart trader setup. And I mean, look, what else do you want? Okay, like just imagine this. You just open up your laptop, you place a trade, you know with high probability you're going to make a profit, and then you make a profit in 10 seconds, and then you're done for the day, and now you can continue with the rest of your day and even possibly the rest of your week. Okay, and that's the life of a trader, a smart trader. The life of a smart trader is you trade with the smart money, you follow the smart money. And yeah, let's have a look here. Dollar CAD, wow, 10 seconds. I don't know what to say, but I'm going to show you the analysis of exactly how I got into this trade, how I bought, and how you too can also be a smart trader, collect those easy pips, trade like a smart trader, and follow the smart money. And if you want to know how to be a more consistent and profitable trader, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But let's crack into the analysis. USDCAD, USD to CAD, high impact news. Let's get it. So this one, look, I'm not going to beat around the bush. It's as clear as night and day, and this is a beautiful setup. When I say beautiful setup, I mean it's like the banks are screaming at the smart traders as to what they should be doing. So as you can see, I've already done my analysis here. I've got my supply and my demand levels already plotted. If I can go to the 4-hour time frame so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So supply level, there were 2 supply levels over here. As you can see, supply level number 1, supply level number 2, and let me delete this line over there. Okay, and then we had a demand level right over here. Okay, these were the levels that I was looking at, and again, I'm using the FX volume to do so, to identify where the smart money is, where the supply and the demand levels is, using Forex volume. Now, if I actually bring back that line, for those of you that have the free video training of how to draw the supply and demand levels like a smart trader, some of you might have been looking at this level over here. Now I'm going to show you why this level over here wasn't a significant level, because if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, okay, let's go to the 15-minute time frame and look at this level quickly. Okay, these are for the guys that have already watched the free video training. If you want to get your hands on this free video training I'm talking about, then click on the link in the description to get your hands on it. But as you can see, on the 15-minute time frame in the zone over here, there's no significant high volume, so this was not a significant level, which is why I deleted it. So again, back to the 4-hour time frame, we've got the supply level over there, demand level. Now let's look at what happened today. So what happened today was like textbook trading. So again, what happened is today what we had, price went up to test the supply level early in the morning, tested the supply level, came down off the supply level, okay, and then all the way down to this point over here. And then what happened is, like I showed you on Forex Factory, we had high impact news at 3:30 p.m. High impact news at 3:30 p.m. And what did those news do? Those news actually pushed price down to the demand level. And it pushed price down to the demand level with perfection. And when I mean perfection, what I mean by perfection, I mean with boom high volume. So you can see price was pushed down to the demand level at 3:30 with those CAD CPI results, push price down to the demand level. Now, as a smart trader, you wouldn't trade that because that was like what, 9 pips. Okay, like what are you going to do with 9 pips? And already we're thinking about, already we know 5 o'clock that the more significant high impact news is coming up. So we already, as a smart trader, you can tell that this was a setup by the banks. Why was it a setup? Because if you look at what the dumb money was thinking, they saw that today for the entire day, price was going down, and just after those CPI news, price shot down. So obviously the dumb ass traders are wanting to sell. But you're a smart trader, you know exactly what's going on. You know that the banks are pushing price down to the demand level, and that was an indicator for you to get ready to buy. So already we knew we wanted to buy, and as you can see already, you know, when you want to buy, you enter in your stop loss. Let's talk about the stop loss first. As you can already see from the trade, stop loss, most recent fractal low for the buy. Okay, when you're buying, you're looking at the most recent fractal low. So there we go. That was the stop loss area. And entry, now entry we're talking about, let me do this. Entry, again, most recent fractal high, most recent fractal low. But now for the entry, if you can see over here, let's look at this and change the color quickly. For the entry, most recent fractal high is all the way up there. And like I said, if it's too far, then what you want to use is when price is consolidating as it was on this demand zone, you just use the price action from the consolidation as your entry. So I just use the top of the consolidation over there, the sideways movement as the entry for the buy. And then, I mean, look at that. The rest is history. Okay. Price came, tested the demand zone just before the news at 5 o'clock, the BOC rate statement. And then as you can see in a couple of seconds, it shot up, shot all the way back to that supply zone, broke that supply zone. Okay. It literally demolished that supply zone because already it was tested early in the morning. Okay. So broke the supply level. And as you can see, wow, like, wow. This trade is still going up strong. So trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. And this was a textbook setup. Like, I mean, price came, tested the supply zone, came down, 3:30 news, shot to the demand zone, okay, to induce the dumb money, the dumbass traders. But the smart traders know what's popping at the demand zone, tested it with high volume, and all we got to do is hit the buy and then wait for the next high impact news to get into the trade and let the banks take care of the trade. And that's all it was. So USD long in and out, 10 seconds like a smart trader. If you enjoyed the video, take a screenshot, share it on Instagram, share it on your Instagram, tag me and let me know what you learned. But that's it from me. I'll see you in the next analysis. I'm out. Batman.